did we come down? Right there, obviously, eh?
Right here.
Was
Right
it
here. Yeah, right there. Exactly.
thinking about trying to go up this way?
That's the way we come down yesterday. Right here, London.
Oh yeah, look. You can see where the gravel's off.
Directly right here, London.
Huh. I'm thinking about
Your
this.
fucking ass print right there.
I'm thinking about this.
Are ya?
Yeah. Fuck? Nah, that's not even that bad looking actually. Next thing you know, this could turn into something now all of a sudden. Oh fuck. Whew. Whew. Got a good spot to relax. Pretty fucking sketchy coming up, eh? Yeah. My heart's pounding. Not even because of the workout, just because it's actually freaking me out way more to come up than go down. I slides down it, right? But coming up, man, I don't even know what to grab, what not to grab. Where's Kev 2? Is he on the way up yet? Alright, yeah, we gotta make sure we keep somewhat in touch with each other. You never know. I'd just like to get to a nice ledge to sit on. Ugh. Oh man. What? Oh yeah. I'm just taking little micro breaks as I go up. Whew. Yeah, that'd be nice. That'd be killed here today. Oh, here we go. That's the view. Yeah. Kev's gonna have to cross way over here, I can tell you that. What? What did he say? Oh, I'd say there's been more people than what you think. I always look up at the mountains when I'm driving by. Just do. I'd say a lot of people, it's not like we're hard to not point out, you know what I mean? They can see this clear day out. Oh, cops and everything probably after seeing us up here. What the fuck they gonna do? Ooh. Where's P.2 now? Oh, okay. He's just chilling? Alright, cool. Pointing spinning sharp side up too, that square rock. That's what I'm saying. That'd have been. I'm saying you're walking up there and like that last one, it hits one of these right and pops right up right in the forehead or something. You're out, man. If not killed. That little rock with that amount of speed. Boom. Oh, you'd be fucked. Coming up that cliff, boom, right in the face. Gone, look, boom. You fucking have your head be fucking watermelon. You'll be out, man. It's like getting a 10-pound weight thrown at you, opposite force at like 50 kilometers an hour. When I first came up, buddy, I can't believe. Won't be doing that again. You ain't escaping the ledges, buddy. Oh yeah, it's just layers and layers. Huh? It is. I'm actually sketched out. I stopped a couple times, like legit coming up this way worse than going down. I won't be doing this too many times this summer. I don't think I do this at night, I'll tell you that right now. Oh yeah. Oh fuck. Oh. Pitch that slut down there.
What a boulder.
I don't like this setup at all. Loose? Sweet. What the fuck is this? Really? What a day out, man. 2 or 3 degrees lower wouldn't be all. Oh yeah. I was getting weak legs and everything. Knuckles never sore. I felt like I just wanted to sit down. I wasn't getting back up. Really? Aha.
That's the loose one right here you get your hand on.
Lovely. Just what I wants to hear. Just what I wants to hear. Okay, I gotta watch what I'm at. Oh shit, you got him. Just watch yourself, man.
Look at that.
That was nuts.
Look at that, right here on the grass.
No, I didn't want to tip her down before I'm going uphill. It would have just looked at the ground. That's what I was saying. The chest mount. The chest mount, me going up this, just look what it's going to look at even on its max setting. This can only go 90 degrees and then down. You'd be looking at this, especially climbing up. It's like that on bike and shit. You can't even see the bars. You're just looking down like in front of the pedals. Oh, that's good. I don't even want to move that breeze. I'm just taking it in. I'm pretty much there now anyway, so fuck it. Oh yeah. I had some trips coming up. I'll tell you, like legitimate ones, like, nah, like, let's go back up in the top and just come down type thing. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shit.